morning, sir.
Well done.
Please, can we know your name?
Oh, yes. My name is John Udemezuo. Onuzulike John Udemezuo, popularly known as OJ Udemezuo.
Yes, we saw you patrolling within the construction site of the Ayamelum Road.
Yes.
Are you satisfied that work has commenced on the road?
First of all, I must thank the Honorable Speaker for at least doing something. I must thank Honorable Speaker and all those that made this palliative possible. But meanwhile, the word satisfied means that can only be applied. The word satisfied can only apply when the job is done and well done. You understand? So from what I'm seeing here, I think what is going on here is palliative work and not reconstruction, total reconstruction. Mark the word, because what the word they use, the media aides of Mr. Speaker use the word reconstruction, total reconstruction. So, but what we have seen here from the Ezu River bank to this white junction here, where the flag off was carried out, what we are seeing here right now is what we call palliative, meaning they are filling up the bad portions of this road from this white junction to Ezu River bank. So we are not completely satisfied with what is going on. So that is it.
In one of your statements in social media, you claim that the federal government, through the Ministry of Works, disbursed some funds to FEMA for direct labor on this road. You claim it's about over 40 million naira.
Yes, that's very correct. Early last year, we wrote to federal government and that we wrote to Ministry of Works. Then we wrote to FEMA. We copied Anambra State government. We wrote to other government agencies. We complained about the bad state of this road. So around October, the civil rights concerns, the leadership of civil rights concerns sent me direct message that over 40 million naira has been released by Ministry of Works to FEMA, Anambra State, for direct labor to fix this road. So, but what we are seeing here today, what you are seeing here today is palliative work being carried out by Mr. Speaker, the Honorable Speaker of Anambra State. So the question here right now is, what about the 40-something million naira that was released, not appropriated, the 40 million naira that was released October last year? But we'll get to the roots. We'll find out who has been making, or those that have been making the good people of Ayamelum dry, that kept us in this state till now. So that's it.
Okay, thank you so much for that clarification.
Okay.
Please, there are some hearsay in some quarters. There are hearsay in some quarters that some politicians, or let's put it this way, some opposition party members against the state government is sponsoring you to fight the state government.
That's laughable. That's laughable. It's laughable because any patriotic citizen of a particular local government or a particular community or country should do what I am doing now. Activism is inborn in me. I didn't learn it from anywhere. JDPC, but I still give it to JDPC on the Archdiocese because they brought out the real me in me. They gave me the voice, the platform to speak out and how to go about it constructively. So what we are doing here today is not politics or something. We are telling the people, we are holding the duty, our duty bearers to account. What is the big deal asking somebody who is representing me to give me account of what has been given to you to bring down to the grassroots? Is that too much to ask for?
Okay.
So how is it? How can anybody, say that somebody somewhere or opposition is sponsoring me for what? Nobody sponsored me. I am a hustler. I am in the street.
Okay,
You understand?
thank you.
I'm in the street, so I hustle. I get what I eat from the street. I walk.
Okay,
That's
thank
it.
you. Thank you, Mr. Odemezu. One more last thing, please. The day this particular road was flagged off,
Okay.
it was actually the Speaker of the Anambra State House of Assembly.
That's what I'm saying.
We noticed in actuality that the governor
Was not here.
Was not there, and the Commissioner for Works
Was not here
Mr.
too.
Marcel was not there too. So
That is, see, you see, when I say some of my blogs that these guys are ready, they plan, they know what they are doing. It's all about film trick. What you are seeing here is film trick, just to douse the tension. You can't do the, listen to me, you cannot lie all the time. One lie, you will need like 1,000 lies to cover it up. What is going on here is palliative and not total reconstruction. Where's the drainage? You want to start construction work, there's no drainage, you are just filling up potholes, no excavation, nothing, and you said you want to, you are constructing a road. It's lie. If you, from after here now, after Lichuku farm, when you go down, you start seeing, the only thing they did there is just using caterpillar to smoothen the shoulders of the road, the two shoulders of the road, and the center, the dilapidated center of the road is left like that. So what we are seeing here today is total. We are not satisfied. I am not satisfied personally. I will want the state government to take up this responsibility to fix this road. We are not asking for too much. We are only asking that this road be fixed, so that those farmers can, you know, comfortably bring out their farm produce to the city. So it's not too much to ask for. So what I'm saying here right now, what the youth of Ayamelum is saying, I am not alone in this. Mind you, I am not alone in this. The youth of Ayamelum is solidly behind me. And we are doing this. We are not looking at anybody. If you are ready to arrest us, arrest us. Wherever you take us, we will come there with our facts. We have facts. We don't talk because for talking sake. We have facts. So those that have been making us dry with the money being released from Abuja to fix this road all these years, we are bringing all of you to book soon. We are ready to bring all of you to book soon. The EFCC is involved, the ICPC is involved, and every other agency that is concerned to this, all of them are involved.
thank you, Mr. Oje Odemezu. Thank you. We really appreciate you for talking to us.
So for only Mr. Speaker to come here to flag off a road, that governor himself should come here to flag off, and so that we will know that this is governor's executing this project. But what we are seeing here is one arm of government coming here to say we are flagging off road, and this child's play is going on here in the name of the construction of our road. That is not the way to go.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.